Hello, good day! Ito nga pala ang inyong Sir Jello at mayroon ako ulit ituturo sa inyo na math video topics. Pero bago yan, huwag niyo munang kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel na Sir Jello para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. Dun sa centimeters and AD, which is y plus 3 centimeters. So, merong questions. So, let us have first letter A. What is the value of x? So, dun sa letter A, we're going to consider side AB and CD kasi sila yung merong x as its unknown variable. So, for letter A, letter A. So, we have AB and CD. So, pag tingnan natin yung AB at saka yung CD, sa properties ng parallelogram, they are opposite sides. And opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel, of course, and therefore congruent. So, since we are using x as our unknown variable, we're going to use first the equality sign to solve for the value of x. So, we have AB, which is 3x minus 5, equals CD, which is x plus 7. So, algebra lang yung gagamitin natin dyan. So, we're going to transpose x to the left side. So, we have 3x. Ipat natin yung x, magpapalit ng sign, so that becomes minus x equals 7. Then, lipat natin yung negative 5, magiging positive 5. So, 3x minus x will give us 2x equals 12. Then, divide both sides by 2. X now is equal to 6. Okay? So, that is the value of x. Now, for letter B, how long is AB? Or line segment AB. Since ang AB natin is 3x minus 5, and our x is equal to 6, substitute lang natin yung value ng x. So, AB is 3x minus 5. 3x, but x is 6. So, 3 times 6 minus 5. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 5. So, line segment AB is 13. So, ang AB natin is 13 centimeters. Next, letter C. What is the value of y? So, we are considering here BC and AD. So, pag tingnan natin yung BC, this side, and AD, they are opposite sides, so they are equal. So, BC is 2y minus 7 equals AD natin is y plus 3. So, algebra ulit. So, we just transpose y on the left side. So, 2y, that becomes minus y. Change the sign. Equals 3. From negative 7, that becomes positive. So, 2y minus y is y. 3 plus 7 is 10. So, the value of y is next letter D now. How long is AD? Or line segment AD. So, AD is, yung AD natin is y plus 3. So, y plus 3. Y natin is 10. So, that's 10 plus 3. So, line segment AD or side AD is 13 centimeters. Okay? Then next, for letter E, what is the perimeter of parallelogram ABCD? So, since ang AB natin is, lagay na natin yung actual measures nila. Since ang AB natin is 13 centimeters, yung katapat niyang DC is also 13 centimeters. Since ang AD natin is 13 din, so the opposite of it is also 13. So we have 4 13s. So for letter E, the perimeter is 4 times 13. So the perimeter of this parallelogram, which happens to be a rhombus because all sides of this parallelogram are equal. So the answer here is 52 centimeters. So that is the perimeter of this parallelogram, which is a rhombus. So that will be for number 1. For number 2, using the same figure, parallelogram ABCD, the measure of angle BAD is 2A plus 25 degrees. The measure of angle BCD is 3A minus 15 degrees. So we are being asked, what is the value of A? What is the measure of angle BAD? And what is the measure of angle CBA? So first, let us identify the position of BAD, angle BAD and angle BCD. So, as it is indicated here, actually that's angles A and C. They are opposite angles. And we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. So, we can say that angle A, or the measure of angle BAD for that matter, is equal to the measure of angle BCD or angle C. We just get the middle letter for this particular angle. So we know that angle BAD is 2A plus 25. That is equal to angle C or yung BCD, which is 3A minus 15. So we're going to do some algebra here by transposing negative 15 first on the left side. So we have 25, negative 15 becomes positive 15. And then on the right side you have 3A, you just transpose 2A, and that becomes negative 2A. So 25 plus 15 is 40. 3a minus 2a is a. So the value of a is 40. Okay, so that is for letter A. Next, for letter B, what is now the measure of angle BAD? Or angle A for that matter, since the measure of angle BAD, lagay muna natin, angle BAD is 2A plus 25. And we already have the value of A, which is 40. So that's 2 times the value of A, which is 40 plus 25. So 2 times 40 is 80 plus 25. So the measure of angle BAD is 105 degrees. So therefore, this angle BAD or angle A for that matter is already 105 degrees. Now what is the measure of angle CBA? Angle CBA, so for angle B, this angle. So for letter C, we know that angle A is already 105 degrees. And the relationship of angle A, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B is 180 degrees. That is consecutive angles of the parallelogram supplementary. That's why the sum is 180 degrees. And we already have the measure of angle BAD for letter B, which is 105 degrees. Or kunin lang natin yung gitna, which is the measure of angle A. So that's 105 degrees plus the measure of angle B equals 180 degrees. So the measure of angle B will be 180 minus 105. So the measure of angle B is 75 degrees, or that is actually the supplement of angle A, this one. So angle B is 75 degrees. So the measure of angle CBA, kung bubuin natin, the measure of angle CBA is 75 degrees. So those are the answers for number 2. And for our last number, number 3, we have diagonals AC and BD meet at E. Point of intersection is at E. Now, in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So meaning, if D is 8, the other half of the diagonal is also the same. So that is also 8 centimeters. So the entire diagonal will be twice the measure of the diagonals bisected. So if D is 8, so the entire diagonal will be 16 centimeters. So, doble lang siya. Next, how long is AE? Since yung AC natin na buo is 13, so yung AE just half of AC. So kung 13 yung buo, hatiin lang natin yung 13 by 2. So that is 6.5 centimeters. Okay, so that is how we measure the